Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey. I am back. Yes, I am back with a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. Hey girl, hey, I see you. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Okay guys, I am back. Yes, I am back and I'm super excited. So excited! Because these items I'm going to unbox are very hard to get items. Well, I can't say it's a hard to find item. I just know when I wanted to order, I hesitated on ordering it, and then it was unavailable, and oh, my necklace is a little crooked. Unavailable, and then it just was not on the website at all, and I could not find it in stores. And y'all know when your mind is set, you have to have this item, so you just like searching. So I got a phone call. Girl, I'm on a roll. All right, guys. So y'all know I've been searching for, a T19 now that I have the 15 and the 26. And y'all heard about this, these items being discontinued. One of my essays said yes. Another one was saying not really. They're not sure. Then I watched a couple of videos where they're saying they might be revamping the Tolchi 26. I don't understand how you're going to revamp it. But anyway. So I thought I was out of luck because I wanted the 26, the 19, and the 15. I only have the 15 and the 26. I'll link the video here where I just got the 26 because nobody knows what's going on. If you know what's going on and you got the scoop, leave a comment below and let me know what's going on. Well, anyway, let's just get this open because I'm rambling and there's no need to ramble, so let's just get it open. So some people told me they were lucky enough to walk in the Louis Vuitton store and purchase this item. I was never lucky enough to walk in the store and purchase. I always had to, wait and see if they can get one in. So here it is. Let's do a thumbnail. So I didn't order this online. I ordered it straight through my essay at the Shore Hills Mall. If you need her information, she is great. She's the one who got me. I just met her, and like I said, she's a sweetheart. What did I just get from her? I don't even remember. I'm drawing a blank. What did she help me with? I need to stop shopping. Oh, I know what I got. I got my Neo Noe from her. I will link the video here. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it and come back and finish watching this. So when I was in there, I was asking her about the toiletry pouches being discontinued. And she's the one who told me she's not 100% sure. Then, like I said, my essay in Miami, he says yes. So I did get the Toiletry 26 from him. And then he was looking. I actually need to send him a message to let him know that I have it now. And it is, let's open her up. Let's get her open. Here it is, guys. The Toiletry 19. Yes. So now my collection is complete. I have all 3 sizes and I'm very happy. And of course it comes with your textile card. And a dust bag. I just skipped right over that part. You know, guys, I don't know what the date code is on the toiletry. If you guys know what the date code is on here, or if it's even a date code on here, leave a comment below, because I don't know, because I can't find it. I mean, I know it's official. I just wanted to know, because this came straight from the Louis Vuitton in Shore Hills, New Jersey. And I'm just super excited that I have all three. Yes. And if you know anything about it, are they being discontinued? Are these items going to be like, I know on a pre-love market, they're going for like $900 for the 19. I think I seen it on Fashion File. I could be exaggerating a little bit, but it was way overpriced. So I don't know if they're going to, you know, be discontinued. Is this going to be something that you can hold on to and make your money back, or double your money? Or I wouldn't even try to double my money, but just let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is super cute. I will definitely just use this for a toiletry when I travel, when I go on my little vacations for 3 days. All my little items can definitely fit in here. Now with my toiletry 26, I did fix it up and add like a little chain to wear as a clutch. I know some people are saying that's why Louis Vuitton was discontinuing them, because people were making them into a clutch and blah, 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 blah. But I don't know if that's true. But here it is, the toiletry 19. And I will definitely do, I'm probably going to do a in-depth video with all three, the collection of all three of them. So yeah, here it is, the 19. So, all right, now let's just get into the next one, because like I said, this is a double unboxing. Now this item was shipped to me from the Louis Vuitton store in Miami, from Bloomingdale's, from the Aventura Mall. And this is from a SA Nester. And this item, I can't even link below. Neither one of them, I can't link below because they're not on the website at all anymore. So, let's just get this open. And this been sitting for about a week, waiting for me to do this unboxing video. You'll see I cut my nails all the way down. Little nails.
People think it's hard work to work long nails. It's not. Get used to it. It's actually hard for me to work when they're this short. These take jobs and nuts. I have a box cutter for these scissors. Note to self. Get a box cutter.
Okay, so it's a little card. Well, how cute is this? How cute. It's a little card. This there, Mrs. White. On behalf of the entire Louis Vuitton family, happy birthday. Oh, because I told him my birthday was coming in August, and I said this was going to be a birthday gift, because I was on the fence about it. Happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. With love, Nesta. Thank you, Nesta. I appreciate it. So sweet. Yes, look, guys. How sweet is that? So, me and Nesta, we communicate once in a while. I'll just say, how you doing? Got anything new? What's different? And he was still looking for my toiletry 19. He couldn't source me one. He was having a hard time finding it, because like I said, I'm not sure if they're being discontinued. So, and then he sent me a picture of something that came in that day, and I was like, oh my goodness, I was trying to get them when they came out. Let's just get it open, and then we're going to just have a little story on these. Let's get it open. Just a little card they send. In this box, you see it say 2 dust bags. He always gives me little samples. I love it. Okay, guys. These are the Louis Vuitton. When these came out, they were like so hard to get, right? And I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted them. And he sent me a picture. And he's like, Sydney, how cute are these? And I was like, oh, I'll take them. So he's like, oh, I'm not even sure if they're your size. I just wanted to send you a picture of these. And I was like, well, if they're 37, I'll take them. He said, okay, I'll text you back in a few minutes. And he's like, you will not believe that these are 37. Yes, and they are a 37. And he was like, only one came in. And I said, I'll take them. Just charge my card. Because I have the card on file. Just charge it. Well, when the charge went through, it was a little more than I expected. When these first came out, they retailed for $990, I'm thinking. Well, they had a big jump in price. Big jump. Maybe like a $300 increase. And when I went back onto the site, you can't find them anywhere. And then 3 days later, I'm scrolling on Instagram like always. And guess what I see? I'm going to link a picture right here of these same sandals in a different color. The white with the pink. And I have not seen those. I didn't see them on the website. So now I'm super confused on if I want to return these and try to find the white with the pink, because I think they are so cute. Okay, citizens, that is it for this Louis Vuitton double unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you're new here and you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you can be notified and become a part of the family. Yes, become a part of the family. Until next time, thanks for watching. Sid signing off. Peace. Cut, scrap all of that. Cut all of that. Roll it back. Cut all of that. Roll it back. Let's see if I look like these. Oh my God, they are so warm and comfortable.